Today we will discuss photodiode. Photodiode is a special type of diode. It is just like PN junction diode, only thing it operates in reverse bias condition and it is sensitive to light. Let's see, this is the symbol of photodiode where light incident on this PN junction diode. And how to define? When diode that is optimized for its sensitivity to light is called photodiode. जब भी पीएन जंक्शन डायोड अगर लाइट के साथ ऑपरेशन हो या ऑपरेट करे, इंसिडेंट अगर उस पर लाइट हो, देन इट इज कॉल्ड photodiode. And the symbol of photodiode is similar to normal diodes. Only difference is that here light incident on this PN junction diode. That means there will be a special window on this PN junction where light falls on that PN junction diode. And always this photodiode operates in reverse bias conditions. Photodiode is operated in reverse bias condition. What does it means? It means always we connect negative terminal of battery to the p type semiconductor and positive terminal of battery is connected to n type PN junction. Like this is the p type and this is the n type. And due to reverse bias, only currents flow due to minority carriers. That means current flow from p to n side due to available of minority carrier is free electrons, whereas in case of n type semiconductor, currents flow due to minority carrier here available is free holes. But here we have written only current flows due to minority carriers. And what happens when light falls on this PN junction diodes? It imparts energy to valence electron. जो उसमें वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन है उसको एनर्जी मिलता है, जिसके कारण रिवर्स करंट और ज़्यादा फास्ट होता है. What that means, the amount of light incident on the junction control the reverse current. Simply the intensity of light control the amount of reverse current flowing through this photodiodes. Photodiode basically क्या है? It is a type of PN junction which operates only in reverse bias conditions, and amount of reverse bias condition current depends only the intensity of light. Here also the same diagram have been shown here in case of photodiodes. Next diode is skottky diodes. It is also a special purpose diode. And how it is made? This PN junction diode consists of one side metal. That what type of metals we are using? Like gold, silver or platinums is used on one side of the junction, and doped silicon n type is used on the other side. That means skottky diode स्पेशल पर्पस डायोड है. इसमें एक साइड क्या होता है? मेटल होता है. कौन सा मेटल यूज करेंगे? वी कैन यूज गोल्ड और सिल्वर और प्लेटिनम मेटल्स. एंड अनदर साइड वी आर यूजिंग एन टाइप, दैट इज सिलिकॉन एन टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर्स. व्हाट हैपेंस हियर? in this both case only free electrons are available, because major carrier क्या है? In this n type semiconductor is free electrons, and also in metal also current flow due to free electrons. Only difference क्या है? Difference है कि in n type semiconductors these free electrons available in the lower orbits, whereas in case of metal free electrons are available in the higher orbits. The due to difference in the लेयर ऑफ द ऑर्बिट्स, ऑर्बिट लेवल के कारण पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस डेवलप हो जाता है. दैट पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस इज गिवन 0.25 volts. That means this Schottky diodes में only free electron होता है, there is no free holes or simply holes. But how it operates in unbiased conditions, free electrons in n-type sites are in a smaller orbits than the free electrons of metal side. This difference in orbit size creates a potential barrier of 0.25 volts, and when this diode is forward biased, free electrons of n side enters into the metal side provided large currents, and when this Schottky diode is reverse bias, it is in off condition, switched off, there will be no any leakage currents. That's why these Schottky diodes are operated एज ए स्विचिंग एक्शन, फास्ट स्विचिंग एक्शन के लिए इसको यूज करते हैं. तो स्कॉटी डायोड क्या है? इट इज ए स्पेशल पर्पस डायोड. कैसे क्या चीज होता है? इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ ए मेटल्स, वन साइड मेटल्स आइदर गोल्ड, सिल्वर और प्लेटिनम्स, एंड अदर साइड क्या होता है? सिलिकॉन डोप्ड एन टाइप सेमीकंडक्टर्स. एंड हाउ पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस इज डेवलप ड्यू टू difference in the orbits of free electrons of metals and n-side semiconductors. And lastly, the symbols of Schottky diodes is simply normal diodes, just like U at the end of this n-type semiconductors. If anywhere it is given, it is simply Schottky diodes. Thank you.